What is self-acceptance? Does it mean I love you for who you are? Or am I willing to see the best in you as well as the worst? We often judge ourselves as a regular part of our lives. As it turns out, being self-accepting isn't an automatic or default state. Many of us struggle with accepting ourselves exactly how we are. What is self-acceptance? Self-acceptance is the act of accepting yourself and all your personality traits exactly as they are. You accept them no matter whether they are positive or negative. This means your personal and physical attributes. It includes your value, which may be greater than your personal and physical attributes. Self-acceptance means to deeply and totally accept everything about yourself. That's why it's important to be kind to yourself. Self-acceptance means learning to accept the parts of yourself you consider negative or undesirable. You must also acknowledge and celebrate your positive qualities and achievements. When you reflect on your goals and what you've accomplished so far, it gives you the confidence to recognize your strengths. This is one of the reasons why so many of us struggle with self-acceptance. Accepting yourself just as you are is an important first step toward changing anything about your life. It may seem counterintuitive, but accepting things about yourself that you don't particularly like is the first step to changing them. We should have an awareness of our limits. Personal growth requires self-acceptance, which doesn't just mean accepting our negative qualities and giving up on changing them. Our awareness of our weaknesses is a good thing, but it's also an emotional response to a situation, which prevents us from acting wisely and improving our behavior. Benefits of self-acceptance. 1. Manage your emotion. Self-acceptance can help you manage your emotions. A lack of self-acceptance can affect the part of your brain responsible for controlling your emotions. It can lead to mental imbalance and emotional outbursts as a result of elevated anxiety, stress, or anger. If you lack self-acceptance, you'll find yourself focusing on the negative aspects of your personality and thinking negatively about yourself. As a result, you'll feel unhappy and experience negative feelings. Studies have shown that having high levels of self-acceptance are linked to more positive emotions and greater psychological well-being. Self-acceptance can help you boost your mood and shield you from the effects of stress and depression. 2. Forgive yourself. Self-acceptance is about accepting yourself as you are and learning to love and respect yourself. Self-acceptance helps you develop a more positive, compassionate, and balanced view of yourself. Acceptance and forgiveness go hand in hand. The inability to accept ourselves and others causes us to divide into different parts. These two parts are at odds with one another. Self-acceptance can help you get over the divide, helping you to forgive yourself for your mistakes and move on. This is essential for your well-being, as dwelling on the past will keep you stuck in the cycle of negative thoughts and emotions. 3. Gives you more self-confidence. If you self-accept and believe in yourself, you'll have more confidence in yourself. It helps you realize that your perceived negative qualities don't define you, and that you are worthy just the way you are. When you feel good about yourself, it is more likely that you will go after your dreams. In contrast, a lack of self-acceptance can hold you back and stop you from going after your dreams. Self-acceptance helps you realize that failure doesn't define you, and that's always a learning opportunity on the path to success. B is key to being a healthy, independent person. You will learn how to gain more self-confidence.